headgear, new headgear for my phone. It looks a bit strange, but it looks a bit strange, but you know, who cares? I wanted to try out this point of view video test. It's 19, parked here for 53 hours. It's Sunday evening. I hope it's recording. And we're gonna go. I'm slightly 10 minutes late, but it's okay. Go to Germany. Nothing in front, no. It's really, this is really my eyesight, because it's like, I don't know if you can see, it's like right above my eyes there into the cameras. It just looks a bit weird to have a fucking phone strapped to your forehead. Let's go to the middle for these ones. So the camera is aiming up a little bit too much over here. It would be nicer if you could see more of my hands and the steering wheel, and not the closets up there. Nothing coming? No, of course not. It's Sunday evening. There's no traffic on the road. Okay, keep it rolling. I'll just film till the highway. It's just a test, video to see what it looks like with my new headgear. I might even just upload it right away. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Brake, come on, engine brake, foot brake. Green also, very nice. Still not go too fast. There. I'm out my bottle of water going. I'm slightly heavy in the front of the trailer because the pallets are all stacked double, too high, two hoog. You say that? On top of each other. It's a little bit heavy there. Here we have the highway A15. You don't have to make space, you know. Is it like? Anyways, who cares? So that's it. Let's see what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Cap off. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you. Okay, I'll be sure to aim the camera a bit lower next time for a better view.